In this video, I'll show you how to generate MD5 checksums for all files in a directory on an Ubuntu system. This is useful if you want to verify file integrity or detect any changes in files over time. First, open your terminal. Make sure you're in the correct directory. You can change to your target folder using the cd command. For example, if your files are in the Documents folder, type cd-documents. Now we'll use the MD5 command. This tool is already available on most Ubuntu systems. To generate the checksum for all files in the current directory, type this command, MD5 **. This will print the MD5 hash followed by the file name for every file in the folder. To save the output to a file, you can add followed by a file name. For example, MD5 checksums.md5. Now you have a file called checksums.md5 that contains all the MD5 hashes. Later, if you want to verify these files, you can run MD5 checksums.md5. This will check the current files against the saved checksums and tell you if they match. That's all you need to know to generate and use MD5 checksums for files in a directory on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.